Our Earth harbours incredible secrets, shaped by millions of years of geological forces. Each layer of rock tells a story, preserving ancient memories of times long past. Volcanoes continue to shape our planet, building new land as they have for billions of years. Deep beneath the surface, extraordinary minerals form in darkness, each with its own unique crystalline structure. Hidden caves reveal nature's patient artistry, where water and minerals create stunning sculptures over thousands of years. Rivers carve their paths through the land, creating ever-changing patterns visible from space. Even ordinary-looking rocks can hide dazzling treasures within their rough exterior. Massive glaciers act as time capsules, preserving ancient air bubbles and climate records from thousands of years ago. The Earth's surface is constantly changing as gravity and erosion reshape the landscape. Even in extreme conditions, life finds a way to thrive, painting the Earth in unexpected colours.